So originally released just over a year ago, the 75T Actives are actually an upgraded version of the original Jabra 75T. Jabra has been a long-term player in the Bluetooth headset market, whether it be for earbuds like the 75T or traditional telephone headsets. Jabra has been in this market segment for quite some time, and it really does show on the 75T Actives. What makes the biggest difference between the 75Ts and the 75T Active is of course the waterproofing and the other exercise-centric design. These earbuds are targeted towards the exercise segment, and the waterproofing found on the 75T Actives are essential, particularly if you're running outdoors or sweat while you're running. The IP57 rating makes the Jabra 75T Actives fully waterproof and sweatproof. So if you're running through a rainstorm or really do sweat it out during your jogs, then these should hold up well for your exercise regime. Another aspect that makes the 75T and 75T Actives stand out from the pack was when it was originally released, these earbuds had a really low profile relative to the side of your head. The 75T Actives are not large earbuds by any stretch of the imagination, and you'll find that they fit snugly into your ear canal and don't protrude either outwards or downwards like the AirPod Pros or other earbuds that have a stem-like design. This is probably one of my favorite points about these particular sets of earbuds. They're small, they're lightweight, and you don't really notice them while you're going on your runs. So other earbuds like the Sony WF-1000 XM3s might be able, with their larger size, to offer better sound quality and active noise cancellation. For simple running and exercise, the size on the 75T Actives makes it a compelling choice. And on top of this, when I'm going for runs, sound quality isn't at the top of the list in terms of what I need for my earbuds. I need something that I can easily handle and that I know I can easily take in and out of my ear during the course of a run. Additionally, the design on the 75T Active really does fit snugly into my ear. The small size means not a lot of weight, so there's not much movement in my ear canal. I always felt confident that the 75T Actives wouldn't be falling out of my ears, even on rougher terrain. So, in my opinion, it's these kind of features that make the 75T Actives great for exercise, as it really does help me focus on my runs and minimize any kind of interference that I would have from my earbuds or gear. There's nothing more frustrating than having to fiddle around with your earbuds or technologies during the course of the runs, and the simplicity and small size of the 75T Actives meant my focus was where it should have been, on my run as opposed to my earbuds. And it's this efficient design that continues on to the case of the 75T Actives as well. The case on the 75T Actives are quite portable and easily pocketable. And with the included case on a full charge, you have up to 28 hours of battery life. So overall, with its matte black design, I found the case and the actual earbuds to be a perfect fit for quickly tossing in my gym bag or running jacket for the occasional run. I could just take it out when I needed to for the occasional charge, and my earbuds were always fully juiced, ready to go. And it's the convenience of some of the features on the case that really round out the package on the Jabra 75T Actives. The charging case on these earbuds offer USB Type-C, so it does charge a lot faster than the USB 3 cases that are priced in a similar segment. And as a nice cherry on top, you actually have wireless charging on the charging case for the 75T Actives, which adds to the overall convenience of this. It's easy to, one, charge the actual earbuds themselves by just quickly placing them in the case with up to 28 hours of battery life, and keeping the case charged is easy as well, as the combination of the USB Type-C connector and wireless charging gives you a lot of options in terms of charging. Active noise cancellation. Next up, we kind of have a bonus feature on the Jabra 75T Actives. When these were originally released last year, the Jabra 75T Actives were just straight up truly wireless earbuds and did not have active noise cancellation. These were just shipped as truly wireless earbuds, and they weren't advertised as earbuds with active noise cancellation. It wasn't until quite a few months later, well into the lifespan of the Jabra 75T Actives, to which Jabra actually introduced active noise cancellation through a firmware update on these earbuds. This is great as it adds a lot of value to earbuds that are priced in a segment much lower than what you would expect from earbuds that packed ANC. With the active noise cancellation running on the Jabra 75T Actives, you're essentially getting a premium feature for earbuds that are priced at a lower segment. And this, in combination with the other features like the waterproofing, excellent battery life, and great design, make the Jabra 75T Actives an incredible value at its price point. So for me, this was a no-brainer, as for the price, the Jabra 75T Actives offered a very specialized running product that I could use solely for my runs. In terms of sound quality, these aren't audiophile earbuds by any stretch of the imagination. For the highest sound quality, you'll probably want to look at something like the Sony WF-1000 XM3 or other active noise cancelling offerings from Bose or Sennheiser. But these aren't audiophile earbuds. Sound quality is more than adequate, and I would go as far as to say that the bass on the Jabra 75T Actives are one of the bassiest earbuds that I have tested. This, on top of very good sound quality on the mids and highs, makes listening to music on my runs a complete joy with the 75T Actives. So there you have it, everyone. What you have with the 75T Actives are an older pair of earbuds that hasn't been ignored by the manufacturer, with frequent and regular updates from Jabra and the inclusion of active noise cancellation. The Jabra 75T Actives, with their IP57 rating and their excellent charging case and design, make a really great option for those people looking for an affordable set of waterproof active noise cancelling earbuds. In my opinion, these are quite underrated in the landscape of active noise cancelling earbuds, and they compete with some of the higher end, more pricey earbuds in terms of features and also sound quality as well. So what do you think? Do the Jabra 75T Actives do it for you in terms of exercise and running earbuds? Leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.